Pro-Russian media are rejoicing these days over Russian military successes in eastern Ukraine. After a month of fighting, the Russians are about to take two cities in the area, Severodonetsk and Lysychansk. But a Washington-based think tank is saying that this is only temporary success because Russian offensive operations in Ukraine are likely to stall in the coming weeks. The report, published by the Institute for the Study of War on Thursday, comes as Putin's troops are pushing to capture all of Luhansk under Russian control and grant Putin a form of military victory. Russian forces have made consistent gains in the region in recent days. The ISW report said that if Ukraine were to lose the two cities, it will not represent a major turning point in the war. Ukrainian forces have fundamentally accomplished their objective in the battle by slowing down and degrading Russian forces, the analysis said. Russian offensive operations will likely stall in the coming weeks, likely granting Ukrainian forces the opportunity to launch prudent counteroffensives. The report said Russian forces have made significant gains in the Severodonetsk and Lysychansk area over the last several days, and Ukrainian troops continue to suffer high casualties. Ukrainian troops may have to retreat to avoid encirclement in Lysychansk, which indicates that Ukrainian authorities are setting conditions to prepare for the ultimate loss of both Severodonetsk and Lysychansk. The Kremlin's ideological fixation on the capture of Severodonetsk, much like the earlier siege of Azovstal, will likely be to the ultimate detriment of Russian capabilities in future advances in Ukraine, ISW said. The loss of Severodonetsk is a loss for Ukraine in the sense that any terrain captured by Russian forces is a loss, but the Battle of Severodonetsk will not be a decisive Russian victory. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.